To find local shops on Etsy, start by going to the Etsy website and clicking on the search bar at the top of the page. Type in what you are looking for and then click on the advanced search link next to the search button. In the advanced search options, scroll down to the location section and select the country and state or region you are interested in. You can also enter a specific city or zip code to narrow down the search results. Click the search button to see a list of relevant shops in your area. You can then browse through the search results and filter them by factors such as price, location, and rating. When browsing through the search results, pay attention to the shop location, which is usually listed under the shop name. This will give you an idea of how close the shop is to your location. You can also use the Etsy app to find local shops. The process is similar to the website, but the app allows you to enable location services to find shops near your current location. To do this, open the Etsy app and go to the search page. Tap on the filter button and select the location option. Then tap on Use Current Location to allow Etsy to access your location. The app will then show you a list of shops near your current location. You can browse through the list and filter the results by factors such as distance and rating. Finding local shops on Etsy is a great way to support local businesses and artisans in your community. By following these steps, you can easily find and connect with local sellers on the platform.